Guys, we're back here once again. Countdown to Star, Series 2, Page 3, Number 3. Looks like we're solving a modeled equation here with some tiles. So let's go ahead and take a look at it here. So the problem itself looks like it says I have a picture going on. It says, what is the value of x that would make this equation true? Now, there are two different ways to do this. I'm going to show you both ways. So the first way that I want to do this is I'm going to look at the picture and use the picture to help me solve this problem. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to notice something. In dealing with an equation, it goes to show that everything has to be balanced. So think of it as a seesaw. Whatever I have on the left has to be equal to whatever I have on the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make everything look the same. So what does that mean? So for example, I want to move these two guys over here with these two guys. So in order to do that, I have to make them look the same. So in order to get it to the other side, I have to cancel out the opposite. So instead of having a positive 2, it looks like triangles here with x's in them, I'm going to have a negative ones. Negative x right there. Negative x right there. So now, if I do it to this side, I also have to do it to this side. Negative x right here. Negative x right here. So now what's going to happen is these cancel because a negative and a positive make 0. So now on either side, I'm left with negative x's here and triangles here. They look the same. But now I have to figure out, well, how do I get these guys over here in white over here to where these guys are that are shaded? Well, I'm going to add them to both sides. So watch how I do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And these are going to become negative 1s because I'm trying to move them to the opposite side. So I'm going to add them here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these are going to become negatives. Now, 9 minus 9 cancels, so this is going to turn into a 0 pair. So now what I have here is I have negative 5x triangles on this side, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It should be 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 16. So now what I'm going to do is, well, I have to divide these evenly into groups here. Okay, so what I have here is I have negative 16 on this side, and then I have negative 5x on this side. Well, if I do my math correctly, all I'm going to do is divide both sides by negative 5, and then when I plug this into the calculator, I'm going to get 16 divided by 5 is 3.2, which is letter C. Now, that's one way to do it. Now, I'm going to show you the other way to do it to make sure that you want to put it in the calculator. Okay, so here's the next thing what I'm going to do. So instead of doing this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write the equation out. So first thing I'm going to do is use the original equation as it has. So I have 2x's on this side minus 3, 5, 7 is equal to minus 3x on this side is equal to adding 9. So watch how I do this. I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to put this directly into the calculator. So how this is going to look is I'm going to hit the math button, tab up, go to the numeric solver. And I'm just going to put these in as they are. So 2x minus 7 on that side. And then I'm going to put negative 3x plus 9 in on that side. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to hit solve, and I'm going to get 3.2 either way. So you have multiple ways to solve